Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate viral video using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already opened Canva, and for today's tutorial, we're going to use Canva AI to generate viral video. After you open Canva, you can go to the Canva AI, and then you can choose video clip. And unfortunately guys, this video clip feature is only available for Canva Premium. So if you want to generate any video using Canva, you need to subscribe to Canva. Okay, click on video clip, and for the style I'm going to choose cinematic, and for the aspect ratio select this one because it's not available for now, it's still coming soon, and add audio. And for the lighting, I'm going to choose dark lighting. Okay, and then you can describe your idea here. And for the idea, I have just asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for me. And once we're ready to generate it, we can click on submit. And we just need to wait for a moment until the AI generate video for us. Okay, and it's still generating. Maybe it will take a longer time. Okay, and the video is ready. And I'm going to play it, guys. Let's see how it looks. Sorry. Okay. And if you want to edit more, you can use Canva editor here, and then you can edit your video as creative as you can. Okay guys, and that's all the way to generate viral video using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.